Looking to bring vinyl back into your life without sacrificing modern convenience? The 1x1 high-fidelity belt drive turntable might just be the perfect blend of retro charm and modern tech. This stylish record player features a belt-driven design with a high-quality magnetic cartridge, which means you'll get warm, rich, and authentic vinyl sound. Even better, it has built-in speakers, so you don't need extra equipment to get started. Just drop the needle and enjoy. But that's not all. This turntable also has Bluetooth playback and an Aux-in function, so you can stream your favorite playlists wirelessly or connect other devices. And with the auto-off feature, you won't have to worry about wear and tear if you forget to lift the tone arm at the end of an album. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, reviewers love the sleek design, the warm vinyl sound quality, and the convenience of having both traditional vinyl playback and modern Bluetooth streaming. It's also praised for being easy to set up, making it beginner-friendly. On the downside, some users felt that the built-in speakers aren't as powerful as a dedicated sound system, and audiophiles might want to pair it with external speakers for the best experience. A few also mentioned that while it's great for casual listening, it may not satisfy those looking for high-end professional-grade audio. Overall, the 1x1 high-fidelity turntable is sitting at a strong rating on Amazon, making it a reliable and stylish choice for anyone who wants to enjoy vinyl records without breaking the bank. You can check it out for yourself at a special discounted price using the link in the description. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, click that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest Amazon secrets revealed.